So you want to start making money with affiliate marketing? Where should you start? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about all those just getting started with affiliate marketing and they want to know where to start, right? But before I get into that, guys, if you are looking to start your own online business and start making a passive income, you need to check out Genesity. All right, link in the description. That's what I'm doing, and it's just cool. What can I say? But anyway, enough with that. You want to learn about affiliate marketing. You want to you probably seen the videos and testimonials of people making thousands of dollars a day in a month. Somebody messaged me with affiliate marketing. But you might be like, man, I'm just overwhelmed. Well, where do I start? Look, if I was just starting over and just fresh into it, this is where I would start. ClickBank, point blank, period. Right? ClickBank is one of the most popular websites to become an affiliate, and they have thousands and thousands of different products in different categories that you can pick, and you can literally grab an affiliate link and start promoting their products. One of the downsides that some complaints that some people have with ClickBank is not all of their products are like top notch. So you do got to do your research when it comes to finding a product, because some products on ClickBank are garbage, but other ones are fantastic. So you got to kind of do your own due diligence when looking for products to promote. But ClickBank definitely is a great place to start. And another thing about ClickBank, their commissions, because most of their products, about 85% of their products are digital products. So it allows its affiliates to earn pretty good commissions. I mean, up to 75% commissions. And that's why a lot of people do promote ClickBank products, because, you know, people are making a lot of money. They call them super affiliates when it comes to selling products on ClickBank. Now, another place that I've talked about a million times, but to get started, is to become an Amazon affiliate. Now, Amazon affiliate is a little more difficult to, it's easy, but when you apply to be an affiliate, you have to have something going on, whether you have to have a blog or a website, which is pretty easy to obtain. You know, it's not a big deal to start a blog, but Amazon just wants to see that you provide some sort of content online before they approve your account. Once they approve your account, you're good to go. You'll be able to get your affiliate links and start promoting different products. The bad thing about that is Amazon commissions start out low as dirt. They start out, you know, 4%, 6% commissions. A bright side to that is if you're promoting a product with a very small commission, once somebody click on your link and they look at the product that you're promoting, even if they go off hypothetically, they don't get your $20 shirt that you're promoting, or $20 I can't think $20 book bag that you promoted. That's horrible. But you didn't get it, but they click off of that and they end up buying a $400 speaker from Amazon. You're cookie to that, which means you're still tracked to that. So you actually would get the commission for the $400 stereo. So that's kind of cool when it comes to Amazon. So those are two places that I would get started with if you're just getting started. ClickBank and Amazon. Now, to actually start making that money, I highly recommend, especially with Amazon, if you really want to get off, off running pretty good, do product reviews. It really helps. Now, you could do the same thing with ClickBank products, okay? But doing a product review, sometimes it's not going to get a lot of traction if the name isn't, super big, right? On publicly. But with Amazon, it's super easy because all you gotta do is think of like the latest product, the newest iPhone, right? The newest iPad, the newest type of even shoes or clothes, whatever. You can always find that product on Amazon, get your little affiliate link, do a review on it, and you're probably going to get more traction, because it's such a popular product. Now, I'm giving a lot of damn information in this video. But going back to ClickBank, say you want to do a product review on something, right? And, you're not going to do the name of the product. You're not going to do a review on the actual name of the course. Just say, well, what you can do is actually do a video, for example, on another popular product. All right. And at the end of that review, then you can actually promote your ClickBank affiliate product. So, for example, I'll say I always use this, I don't know why, dog training product, right? So there's a dog training course, but you don't want to actually do a review on the name of the dog training course you're promoting. So instead, you do a video on a popular dog food, a popular brand of dog food, right? So you talk about that. Oh, it was my dog loved it, or my dog hated it, or it made my dog sick, or whatever, blah, 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 right? Then at the end of your video, you can actually be like, yeah, blah, 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 blah. But hey, guys, before I go, a great course that I got to really train my dog. It really works. Check it out, guys. Link in the description or whatever. You put it on Facebook, whatever. That is a great way that you actually use reviews with ClickBank products, and you can make some serious money doing that. All right. So, guys, that's it. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, this is a great way to get going, start to actually see some sales, see some traffic, and you'll be good to go. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel because you see I'm dropping that content. Also, don't forget to check out Genesity if you want to start your own home business. Be sure to check that out. And that's it. Until the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.